Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Holiday Inn in Fort Smith, Arkansas. So we actually stayed another day because it was just gonna rain, and it has rained all day here. Looks like we'll have a break in the weather in the morning. So we're gonna get up in the morning, probably leave about 8 a.m. and we are headed to Monroe, Louisiana. We've got all back roads turned on our navigation, so we should see some new roads, some new riding, and hopefully some dry weather. We'll see. My only fear is if there's any flooding along the way, we may run into that running the back roads. So we'll just have to pay attention, be careful, watch for rocks and stuff washed across the road. That's probably one of the big hazards after a lot of rain. So, we'll take our time, enjoy the ride, and keep an eye out for all that kind of stuff. So anyway, like I said, we're at Holiday Inn. I do have a question for you guys. What is your favorite hotel chain? Now, I've been very vocal that Holiday Inn is mine, but although they are my favorite, I have ran into a snafu with Holiday Inn, and Angie and I have not decided exactly how to handle this yet or how we feel about this. But anyway, Holiday Inn has basically a referral program, and so I actually signed up for the referral program because we stay at Holiday Inn a lot. You guys know we're on the road. We stay I'm like a platinum elite or some BS like that member with them, and we stay at Holiday Inn a lot. So we spend a lot of money with Holiday Inn. So we thought, it'd be great if we could tell you guys, hey, when you book Holiday Inn, here is our link, and maybe we get a little kickback for that, right? So I signed up, and they asked for all my socials and all that, and I gave it to them. And guys, we reach, our one page has 235,000 people that are on it. Our Support Bikers page is like 65,000. The Badger page is 15,000. Our YouTube, all that, right? So we reach a pretty large audience. So I don't think it was our reach that got us declined. I think it was bikers. So now we're under this impression that maybe Holiday Inn doesn't like bikers. So maybe we need to find a brand, a hotel chain that is more in tune with, we want the bikers to come to our establishment, and maybe dump Holiday Inn. So anyway, what is your favorite place? We may start trying out some new hotel chains to see if we can find another chain that we like better. Just because, like I said, it doesn't seem like Holiday Inn wants the bikers there. So if they don't want us there, I'm not going to spend my money with people that aren't incredibly biker friendly. So anyway, tell me in the comments below what's your favorite hotel chain and why. And maybe we'll give them a try as we're doing some traveling this summer and just see if we can't find something that works better. It's not about the couple of bucks they may have paid us to refer you guys. It's about the fact that they didn't want us as motorcycle social media people to represent their brand. So I have an issue with that. But anywho, continuing on. So tomorrow we're going to leave. We're having a meetup around Benton, Arkansas with somebody from one of our groups. And then once we're done in Benton, we're going to head on down to the Monroe, Louisiana area. Tomorrow morning we're going to get up, and not tomorrow morning, Tuesday morning we're going to get up. We're going to Warhawk Harley Davidson. They're a member of Support Bikers. And then we're headed off to a few other businesses. So we're going to be hitting businesses along the way home. We're taking all back roads all the way home, at least till we get to Tallahassee. Then once we leave Tallahassee, Florida can be pretty straight and boring. So I don't know if we're just going to hit 75 and jet home, or what the plan there is yet. We haven't thought that far ahead. But all the way till then, in fact, the last day, we're going to ride the coast, which is one of our favorite rides. We love to ride by the water. It's not always the most exciting, but it's just beautiful. The sea breeze, the birds, everything. It's just, we love riding by the ocean. So if you ever get a chance to take a ride along The coast, man, it seems like every coastal road I've ever ridden has its own uniqueness to it, and we just love it. But anywho, that is the plan. Today we basically just stayed in the hotel. We worked all day, got caught up on some stuff. I will say this for Holiday Inn. So we had booked Holiday Inn for last night, and then once we figured out the weather was going to be really bad, I came and booked the second day tonight. Well, anyway, they didn't have the same room back to back, and I really wanted the room back to back, so they upgraded us to a suite. So this is actually one room. It's a 2-room suite. So we've got its own separate AC, couch, table, TV, another table, full little kitchenette here, right? Big refrigerator, the whole 9 yards, and then of course in there is our other living quarters. So anyway, pretty nice setup that they upgraded us to, so I won't complain about that too much. But anywho, it has just been a rainy, crappy day. Hopefully we dodged the rain on the way home, but that's it. We did get to go out tonight with Kenneth and Eva Burris. They are people that we met 2 years ago here at the Still Horse Rally. They of course had seen us on Facebook. Kenneth like, hey Sonny, when we got to the Still Horse Rally, and we have become friends with them. In fact, we went on a ride with them. They took us and showed us Mount Magazine a couple years ago. They had a little diner at the time, so we went and ate at their diner. They are just great people, and hopefully in Sport Bikers Arkansas you're going to see a lot more of them. We're kind of recruited them to help us get more people in there and help us share more events for the Arkansas area and bringing Arkansas together, because that's what Support Bikers Arkansas is all about, is bringing each state together, giving them a place to find all kinds of resources, to find anything they need, even find groups to ride with, events that are going on. If you need help, if you have questions about your motorcycle, the goal is that you can post it in the group and somebody there can either help you or they can make a connection of somebody else that can help you. So that's the goal. Kenneth and Eva are going to help us with that. The Switchback crew, of course, helps us with that. We have a pretty solid Arkansas crew that we love coming to see. So everybody that we got to hang out with at Spring Fling and this weekend of our Arkansas crew, guys, thank you for always supporting us. Thank you for hanging out with us, letting us ride with you, letting us hang with you, and just bringing us in and treating us as part of your family. We appreciate it, and we can't wait to see you guys again this fall. So anywho, that's it, guys. Have a great night. Have a great night. Have a great day, because you're going to watch this tomorrow morning. And we will see you guys tomorrow on the road.